Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these two cards. These are the exact same, but this one just doesn't have an image. Now let's go and start. I already made HTML and link up daisyUi and tailwind. Now let's start. Let's make it two divs, another one, and right class right here. Let's write here card body. Right here H2, and write shoe or cards, and write a class here, and write here card title, and write a p tag. Write something like this. I wrote, a spider is in my clothes. It is a scary spider. Okay. Right here, get another div, and I'm just gonna write here. Let's write that later. Write a button here, and write buy now. Let's put a class here, and write a btn, then btn primary, and now let's write here card actions and justify end. Let's just write some classes here. Card weight 96, background base 100. How about let's put another one? How about pink or green? No, blue 100, and write shadow Excel. Okay, now let's go and see. Let's get out live server. Oh, we forgot about the image. Let's get the image right here. Figure. Image, ng, enter assets, image, how about 6, image 6. Now let's go and see. There. Maybe my image is big, but it works. It just changed blue to yellow or amber. There. Now let's just copy it and remove the image, and change. If you want to go to center, write MX auto, and the other one too, auto, and on the top one write margin bottom 20. then there will be a gap between those two. Refresh. See. You cannot add. You can add if you want to, or if you wanted to put the marker in the bottom one, like empty 20. Or a space, or you can just not do it. Let's what if y is on the space, so I can just take this. Well, I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this later. For today, I'm gonna go. Bye. See you in the next video.